See, my husband is a bit lick plate where.
I cover my ear, the blood of Jesus. I cover my ear. I like that one. Only say she do the sabi do.
Hi, why now? That thing is sweet where.
I don't know. Be like say this place no they need my own.
Hi, or be nice saying they wash and wear.
Sometimes.
Right. If you pour water, you use wash and wear. If you wash and you wash this back of nails because sometimes dirty they there. Okay. If you bring her out like this, it will smell. You go just put him out. You go then I say they lick soup.
Sister, that your husband is happy. I felt to consider your husband go there.
He's happy when we
Hey! So now your man is happy to party, no?
Yes.
Now you dey get quiet. Make that girl want to break on the collect your husband. They give your husband well. You see this girl, no, they give her space again. This girl to me be like person go sabi lick plate well. Me no go come out your husband for you.
That one no be lick plate, then the liquor. Now microphone. They say they hold her like this.
And this I don't see for you. You don't spoil the smell.
It's been 2 days and I haven't seen you. Did I do something wrong?
Frank, what am I to you?
My best friend.
So why has this friendship suddenly become toxic? Why would your wife's friend lock me out of your house, me, and refuse me from coming in? Why?
Look, I have no idea. I'm lost about this.
Frank, you will have to find yourself. I am so upset. I hate that girl. I despise her.
But you're the one that asked me to tell her to stay.
Well, I changed my mind. I don't want her to stay anymore. You know what, Frank? You will have to choose. You will have to choose between me and her. And if you choose her, I will never, ever step my feet in your house ever again.
Are you serious?
Dead serious.
Really?
All I wanna be is the perfect girl for you. All I wanna be is the one that captures your heart.
Tell your friend to leave my house at the end of this week.
Ha. Baby, why now? What's happen?
I think we have done enough.
This way they talk now, the thing where you want to do, the thing where your best friend tell you say make you do.
Choma, Sonia is my friend. And if she feels uncomfortable, then it's my choice to make.
But I'll be too now my friend now. She even be like my sister. You self now my husband.
So where were you when she locked her out?
Lock her out? I don't know. She lock him.
Look, I'm not going to have this conversation with you. She leaves my house at the end of this week and that is final.
Okay.
What do you mean by okay? What's the meaning of that?
Okay now. Baby.
Good morning.
Good morning. You done ready to go work?
Yes.
I need to make I put your food.
Okay.
Make it talk.
What are you wearing?
Now my new clothes I buy.
Your new cloth?
Mm-hmm.
I see.
I don't want to tell you say me and them I will come out today around 2.
You're going out by 2.
Yes.
And this is what you're wearing to go outside.
This one, no be this one. No, I get another one while I go here.
You have another one?
Yes, but not this time because I buy them plenty.
You have plenty?
Yes, so I like them plenty. You find out you like them?
Yes. Okay. You said you're going out by...
By 2.
By 2?
Yes, by 2.
Oh, nice. Okay.
You know, consider and make you chop.
Oh, no. I'm not hungry. I'm running late.
Eh.
Yeah, I have to get to the office.
Ha. Oh, yeah, nah.
Okay.
No problem. Okay, make I come out the distance since you say you no want chop. Oh, yeah, nah. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
I did tell you this one thing. I won't carry with them away. You don't know the get yourself. Not being go work on that spirit go work. See,
They come me like this. Because they do like this.
You see the figure. And again, first they say, is this thing you want to wear? Is this thing you want to wear? I'm gonna say what's there in the I tell you, I say this one operation shark attack will work. Yes. You shake her, no so you shake the guys, they say you shake now. Oh! This one suits me. It suits me too. I said, let me go for your husband. This man don't get you know, see what you get. Hey, good afternoon, sir. You forget something, sir. Yeah?
Where's my wife?
Your wife? Your wife, she did up, sir.
Okay.
So everything is all right.
It's fine. Everything's fine.
This is fine. BP, okay. BP don't high. I thought I said not be this man go work. Say that spirit that go work. He wrong. It was not what I plan on time. I for just call like Okoye will come mount for this year. Like say he can't find Choma. Ha! If the man come, see man. Hey! Heart attack. You don't go. This man when they come back by this time, he can't say come back. He come back because of the wife. He don't want. He don't want. God, I guess sense. Now bad man I marry, but I guess sense.
I came back from work because I forgot some things.
Okay, but I don't see anything where you forget to.
I know. I'll look for them.
Oh, okay.
You're dressed. Where are you going to?
I dey follow Abi go her shop.
She has a shop?
No be shop. Where they work.
Dressed like this?
It's fine, Abi.
So you want all the men there lusting over my assets and looking at you?
I cover everywhere now.
I see. I don't think I'm going to work anymore. I want you to stay home with me.